he's on that stick. Holy fuck.
Oh, look at him.
Just trying to get us a bit of flying in here. Go there now. There he is.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, now.
What a monster.
There it is.
I don't know why you're having such trouble getting him in.
Can I just bump that boat in the gear and go forward for us?
Tony needs a little bump.
Just leave it in gear and might have to let him drop from here. Right up, push.